You want to go Thailand?
Oh, I get it.
Mila.
Yeah.
Ê, đặt vật trong nhà.
Meat is second. Kapuncha. Kanda.
Kanda.
Sebenarnya.
Kendal. Kendal.
Kenapa?
Okay. Kandeka tu dulu.
Meet on the second door or
Mid of the second door. Mid of the second.
meet on the second door or
Rosemary is mid of the dining.
Oh.
Yeah, mid of the second door. Ui, lạ lắm. They almost go down.
Also, you can also measure in the middle. This one you just only egg, right? Four. Yeah. Egg.
9.
9.5, right?
Yeah.
And then even we say mid, right? Midline. That one you grinding. We don't make any flake in here. For one here, no? Mid also okay. This is a second row also. Huh?
Mid of the second door.
Second row.
Mid of the second door.
between third and fourth.
What's
Then
big?
big
Big
What's big?
So what's big?
What's big?
What's big? What's big? What's big? Between third and third door.
Just pay.
What's big? We làm sao để làm đó? Oh.
Okay.
Now looking.
Kapuncha.
So here now, you can think of the chicken here plus
1 centimeter.
for the
Assemble. 1 centimeter for University of
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Yeah, my one is not straight. That is our middle width. Yeah. Exactly. Okay.
2 centimeter.
Yeah, median lateral opening is just must be like how to say 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Opening first, drawing first, and then you have to make the round shape, not the square shape. Okay.
Round shape. Not square shape.
Okay.
Now I'm making the trend line. Before BF, I prepare everything to BF.
Before be up, prepare everything.
Phải
Phải
Yeah, this time
Not
must
too
be
much.
the same.
Not too much.
Pakistan. Thank you.
So the distance is on each side 2 centimeter.
Which one? One. Yeah.
One.
Yes. Because a round shape, right? It can round shape. You know what I mean? Round shape. Then even round shape must be there. Same distance.
So 2 to 4.
Yeah, to the form.
Right shape.
Kamu nolok ya.
After being I will make China later.
Sa Monica Philippines.
That's good.